Yo, what's up kids? So you're thinking of buying a third Gen F body? I know what the burning question is when you're buying one of these cars, and it isn't what's the 0 to 60 or does it handle well, because the answer to both of those questions is no. So one of my thoughts when buying this car was, what's the point in buying this versus a two-seater like a Corvette? I mean, it'll probably handle better, go faster, and the price won't be that different. Well, this has 2 extra back seats, and I thought it was quite important being able to carry 3 passengers. So the big question is, are those 2 seats in the back any use? Can they carry an adult, or are they completely pointless and you might as well go ahead and buy that 2-seater? Let's find out. Okay, so let's get this front seat adjusted so it's comfortable here. And try the back. Okay, so I wouldn't say it was comfortable getting in and out. I've got enough headspace so that I'm not cricking my neck to left or right. There's just about enough room for my knees. I wouldn't say a lot, so maybe I wouldn't want to be in the back for a trip that took hours, but for a short trip, yeah, not a problem. I think it's more usable than some of the newer cars that are 2+2 configuration, where your head is literally at the side, really only meant for children. So hopefully that gives you an idea of whether it's usable as a 4-seater car, even for adults. So thanks for watching, see you around.